Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Found another really good deal for you today on Amazon. The RoboRock S6 Pure is on sale for $400 with a $40 off coupon. So really, you can get this guy for $360, which is really good deal. I have the RoboRock S5 and I love it. I'm actually kind of thinking about getting this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me review this one on the channel. It's pretty similar to the S5, but just a little bit better overall. But I do love my S5, so I would highly recommend this. Don't buy this thinking it's going to be a really good mopper, because really no robot vacuums do mopping well, but I just wanted to throw that in there. But it's probably the best robot vacuum you can buy without a self-empty bin. I love my RoboRock, but here you go, $360. I don't think it's ever been this cheap. I think even Prime Day, it was $400, so it's a really good deal. I'll throw the link down in the description. If you don't mind, please use that link. I make a few bucks off you guys using that link, and I'd appreciate it. And if you like this deal, please like and subscribe. I always throw on quick deals like this that I find and save you guys some money. Have an awesome one. See ya.